The main monsoon season in India runs from June to September. During this time, almost every national park closes their gates to visitors. So, as soon as the parks opened up in October, we were on a train to Satna, which is the closest railway station to Panna National Park at 75 kilometers away. The gates opened at 6:30 in the morning and we set out to find a female tiger called T141. A few minutes into the T141 search, we hit gold. Fresh pug marks. So we drove along tracing these pug marks, but beyond a point, there were no more pug marks. The tiger had gone into the dense foliage to the right of the track and must have lay down to rest. So our guide suggested that we start tracking another tiger, T1. So we are driving around trying to find this tiger, and at around 8:15 we saw a langur sounding distress calls. Our guide Alok jumped off the jeep from his seat next to the driver and hustled towards the edge of the cliff to survey the valley below. Alok looked down at the valley, nothing. So he turned to come back to the jeep and froze because less than 15 feet away to Alok's right sat a leopard resting in the middle of 10 feet tall drying grass. Have you ever been within a few feet of a wild animal charged by a tiger or an elephant or a rhino? Tell us about it in the comments. The leopard got up and started walking away through the tall grass. We drove along, keeping a good distance behind the leopard so that it could cross over and offer us a better sighting. It took us up on our offer, and that's how I got this photo. I had never seen a leopard before. One never forgets the first time. Since that day, I have seen many more leopards at Panna and nearby Bandhavgarh. It's very rare to see leopards at Bandhavgarh, so I was over the moon with joy when I saw this one. What are the thoughts going through your mind right now? I'd like to know. Please tell us in the comments and subscribe to my channel. I'm Girish Menon, and I invite you to experience people, places, nature, and food through photography. Tell stories and inspire your friends. I facilitate one-to-one photography courses online. I will show you how to get the most out of your camera so that you can click sharp photos, and that's one of the biggest pain points for beginners, getting sharp photos, especially in low light. And also create powerful photos. What that means is to arrange the elements in the frame in a manner that's easy to understand. Come, meditate, create, communicate. See what it's like.